Good morning, first graders. How's your first day going of learning at home? I hope you're having a great day. So, today, your time with Miss Hughes might be a little different, and that's okay because we'll be teaching through the computer, which is different and a little weird, but it's going to be lots of fun. It's going to be a good adventure for the both of us. So, today, we're going to continue learning about addition. Now, you might hear some meowing in the background, or maybe some funny noises, but that's okay. It's just my cat, Katie. Sometimes she might even pop up in the camera to join us and help me teach. We'll have to see. For today, we're going to continue our learning about addition. So, I have a little presentation for tools we can use for addition. An addition problem shows a plus sign and also an equal sign. So a plus sign or an addition sign means to add to, while an equals means showing the total. So let's see what our tools we can use for addition are, especially with adding numbers 0 through 5. Let's take a look. So our first tool we can use is the 10 frame. I know you first graders have seen this before. Let's look at our problem. It says 4 plus 1 equals blank. I wonder what this would equal. Well, if we have our 10 frame, we can fill it out. If the 4 is green, how many green circles am I gonna need? How many? 4. You're right. Let's put 4 green circles in our 10 frame. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many green circles do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. If we look at our blue number, how many blue circles do we need? 1. You're right. Let's put 1 circle in. 1. Now I have a question for you. And because you're so smart, I know you're going to know this answer. Take a second to figure out what 4 plus 1 is. We can count the circles. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're right. The answer is 5. Excellent work. You guys make good math detectives. I need your help in checking what our next tool we can use is. Ooh, tally marks. I wonder what those are. Let's look at our number sentence. We have 3 plus 2 equals blank. I wonder what the answer is. Tally marks, let's draw them. How many green tallies do we need? 3. You're right. Count with me as I draw them. 1, 2, 3. 3 tallies. Let me get my blue marker. How many blue tallies am I going to need? 2. You're right. Count with me as I draw them. 1, 2. Now, what do we need to do to solve this problem? I'll give you some think time. All right, so what do we need to do to solve this problem? You're right, we need to count the tally marks to figure out what our answer is going to be. Let's count them. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Keep 3 in your calculator and count on. Let's count on from 3. So 3's in our head, in our calculator. 4, 5. What's the answer? 5. Nice job. Let's see what our next tool we can use. Draw a picture. Well, we know for my first number I need the green marker. because our number is green. How many triangles, that's what I'm going to draw for a picture. How many triangles do I need? 2. Count with me. 1, 2. All right, now I need my blue marker. How many hearts do I need? 1. You're right. 1 heart. All right, I need your help. Can you help me count to figure how many we have in all? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 in all. All right. One of our second to last strategies is dun, 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 the number line. I know you've seen this before. So what number do we need to start at if our sentence is 2 plus 2 equals blank? What number do we start at when we're at our number line? 2. You're right. So let's circle the 2. All right, our next step, let's get our blue marker. How many jumps do we need to make, or hops? You're right, we need to make 2 hops. Count with me as we jump. 1, 2. Let's write it at the top. That helps us when we're trying to track our learning. 1, 2. And what number did we stop at? 4. You're right. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Want to know something else that I noticed about this problem? We have 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2. This problem is a doubles fact. All right. Now, I have another strategy to show you, but it's not on my presentation. I wonder why. I wonder why. I know another tool we can use. Our hands and our fingers to count. So let's try and solve the problem. 4 plus 1. How many fingers do I need to put up? Let's start with 4. Count with me to make sure we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if it's 4 plus 1, how many fingers do I need to put up if it's 4 plus 1? 1, you're right. So let's count how many fingers we have in all now. 1, 2, 3, 5. You're right. Now, I know you're smart first graders, and I know you know that you already have 5 fingers on each hand, which means we have 10 fingers in all. So if you know that you have 5 fingers in your brain, it's okay if you don't count your fingers, just like I showed you. If you have it in your brain, that's okay. This is just good practice. So now that we finished our lesson for adding and the tools that we can use, I want you to go in your red folder and look for the St. Patrick's Day addition facts color by number that I assigned you. This is a fun color by number. You're going to be working with numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? Now, if you need help, you can tell your parents or whoever is watching you that they can email Miss Hewes. I am always available for help. So if you guys need help and your parents can't help you or they're unsure of how to help, you can have them email me, especially from 11 o'clock in the morning to 11:30, because that's when I usually see you guys. All right, so you're going to do your St. Patrick's Day edition, side number 1 with numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you'll also need your crayons because it is a coloring page. I know just how much you guys love art and coloring. So have a great rest of your day, and I will see you very soon. Just know that you are missed. It's gonna be weird teaching from the computer, but that's okay. I'll see you soon. Bye!